Hello, parents and students. This is Harshada, and welcome to my channel, Loft Academia. Today, we will be discussing International Mathematics Olympiad IMO for Class 3, Chapter number 1, Number Sense. Let us look at the table of content for IMO for Class 3. Chapter 1 is Number Sense, which we will be discussing in this particular video. Chapter 2 is Computation Operations. Chapter 3, Fractions. Chapter 4 is Money. Chapter 5, Length, Weight, Capacity, Time and Temperature. Chapter 6, Geometry. Chapter 7, Data Handling. And Chapter 8, Logical Reasoning. After that, we will be discussing last year question paper, since this is year 2022. Last year is 2021, which we will be also discussing. Chapter 1 is Number Sense. Different topics which will be discussed in this particular chapter are as numbers and number names of 4-digit numbers, expanded form of various numbers, formation of number using the given information from the question, word problems also known as story sums, abacus and place value, comparing various numbers by putting them in ascending and descending order, even and odd numbers. Let us look at the first question of this chapter. Sneha had a collection of odd number of stickers. Which of the following can be the number of her stickers? Alright, so out of given four options, we have to look at the odd number of stickers which Sneha would have collected. 984, that's an even number because it ends with 4. 908, that will be an even number as well because it ends with 8. 941, yes, this is an odd number and should be answer to this question. And 948 is, again, it ends with 8, will be an even number. So odd number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So any numeral which ends with these numbers is an odd number. So hence answer to this question is C. Option C, 941. Let us look at the next question. Which of the following shows the correct number name of Mr. Sharma's house number? So as you can see, there is a 4-digit number given on Mr. Sharma's house. It is 9521, which is nothing but 9521, and which is option number B. Please take it. And other options, if you see, it is not going to match with what has been given. For example, option A is 50, 100 and 21. No, that's not right. Option C is 95, 100 and 1. No, that is not correct. 921, that's also not correct. So our answer, option B, 9521, is the correct answer. Let us look at the next question. Which of the following shows 4-digit number formed by using the digits 7502 each only once? So you can use 750 and 2 digits only once, and whatever is the number which is formed by this combination, which should be 4-digit number, is the answer to this question. So in order to find the answers, what we should be doing is we should start putting the numbers which you see on all these abacus. So let us start putting the numbers. I have put all the corresponding numerals for this abacus. So as you can see, the first one is 5725. As per this particular question, it says that the numbers, the digits, can be used only once. Here there is a repetition of 5, so this cannot be answer to this question. The next one is 0752. So as you can see, all of these numbers are used only once. However, this is starting with 0. This is actually a 3-digit number, not a 4-digit number. So hence this cannot be answer to the question. Let us look at next option, which is option C. So yes, 7520, all the digits are used and just once and should be answer to this question. And however, option D we can still check is not answer to this question because you have 6520 while we are required to use 750 into only once. So hence C is the answer to this question. So always check all the options before you take the correct answer. All right, so let's move to the next question. The greatest four digit even number. So it is greatest four digit and even number which can be formed by using the digit 7065 without repeating the digits is what? So the greatest number which can be formed by using these numbers is you can obtain that by putting these numbers in descending order. So let me start putting these numbers in descending order, which is 7, 6, 5, and 0. And isn't this four digit number, isn't this an even number? So which means this satisfies all the conditions which are given in the question, and hence 7650 is answer to this question, which is option C. Please tick it. Let us look at the next question, which is question number 5. Which place value will determine the larger number among the given two numbers? Okay, so if you have to look at both the numbers, so this is like you're going to actually compare them. Which place value will determine the larger number among the given numbers? Okay, so if we look at this, in the thousands place you have 9, then in hundreds place you have 2 in both of them, and then in tens place you have 3 in this and 7 in here. So in this particular question, the digit at tens place will actually determine which one is going to have the larger value and which is going to have the smaller value, because the numbers in thousands and hundreds place are same, and hence digit at tens place will decide. So which means 7, which is at tens place over here, is going to be the greater number because 3 at tens place is less than 7, and hence answer to this question should be tens place, which is C. Please tick it and transfer all these answers to the OMR sheet. Let us look at the next question, which is question number 6. Which of the following set of numbers is arranged in ascending order? So, by ascending order, it is from the smallest to the largest. So, we have to closely study all the numbers which are given here and determine which is in the ascending order. So, let us start with option A. 982, 985, 989. So far, yes, this is in ascending order from smallest to highest. However, you have 789. So this is not in ascending order or not even in descending order. Not, it's not in any kind of order. So cannot be answer to this question because we have to look for ascending order. So let us look at option B, 1920, which is a bigger number, but then after that you have 1902, which is lesser than this. So this cannot be in ascending order. Again, this is not even in order, so it cannot be answer to this question. Let us look at option number C. 9876, 9768. So as you can see, this looks like this is in descending order, so it is not in ascending order, not answer to this question. So our answer should be D, but let us still verify. 1920, 9102, 9321, 9468, and 9768. So this is definitely arranged in ascending order or increasing order, smallest to largest, and hence answer to this question. Please tick it. 6935 is same as what? So as you can see, the options are given in the expanded form. So expanded form of 6935 is 6000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 5, which is nothing but option C. Please tick it. Let us look at the next question, question number 8. Which of the following is incorrect? So the question is for incorrect option, right? Not the correct one. So you have to carefully look for all the options. All all of them, out of four of them, one is going to be incorrect and rest is going to be correct. Okay, so let's start checking. 3846, 3846, yes, they both are equal, so should be the correct one, not answer to the question. 4181, this is also correct, not answer to this question. 6042, however this is 6024, it is the incorrect combination, should be answer to the question. However, we have to still check option D to confirm the same. 8199 is correct, so hence C is the answer. Let's move to the next question, which is question number 9. Which of the given abacuses show the number less than 1345? In order to answer these kind of questions, you should convert abacus into the numeral form. So let's do that. Okay, so I have counted the beads on the abacus and changed them into numerals. So you have one here, put one, three beads here, I have put three, four over here, I put four, and five over here, I put five. So likewise, I have converted for all of them. So which of them is a number less than 1345? Is this less than that? No, this is same. Is this less than 1345? No, this is more than that. Is this less than this number? No, this is also more. So 1215 is definitely less than 1345, and hence D is the answer to this question. Please tick it. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following number names belong to the dog's number? Okay, so what belongs to dog number is 729, and we have to start looking where you see 729 in this option, which is option C. Please tick it. The smallest four-digit number that can be formed by using digits 5, 9, 8, 7 without repeating those digits will have which number at the tens place. So when you have to make a smallest digit out of this, and which is going to be four-digit number, you are required to arrange this in ascending order. So these digits should be arranged in ascending order, making this as 5, right? So ascending is smallest to largest, which is then next will be 7, and then you will have 8, and then you will have 9. So you have arranged the digits in ascending order. So this becomes your smallest four-digit number, which can be formed out of the combination of numbers given, and ensuring that there is no repetition of the digits. So it becomes 5789, which will have which number at the tens place. So you are required to see what is there at tens place, which is 8. So please tick it, which is option C. All right. So let's move to the next question, question number 12. The numeral form of 8076 is 8076. 8076, because this is numeral, is 8067, 8706, 8760, and hence answer to this question is option B. Please tick it. Which of the following child's number has 2 at tens place? So we have to start checking 2. Where is 2 at tens place? 2 at tens place is this, which is child A. Do you have 2 at tens place? No, it is at 100 place. Do you have 2 at tens place? No, you don't have 2. Here also there is no 2. So answer to this question is A. Please tick it. Let us look at the next question. Which of the following has the place value of 3 as 300? So we can quickly start putting the beads over here, and you can actually start putting the abacus in the numeral form. However, the best option is to do, because the question is at as 300, which means 3 is going to be at hundreds place. So like we can quickly look at the abacus. Is 3 here at 100 place? No, it is not. It is 2. It's 3 at 100 place. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4. So no. Is 3 at 100 place? Yes. So you will have place value of 3 as 300 in this abacus only. But let us still study the next abacus. So this abacus will have 4 at 100 place. So this is not answer to this question. So answer to this question is option C. Please tick it and transfer this to OMR sheet. Let us look at the next question, which is question number 15. If hundreds place digit and units place digit are interchanged in each of the given numbers. So in each of these given numbers, if you are interchanging the hundreds place and units place, okay, then which of the following numbers is going to be even? So if I change the one which is at 100 and the one which is at unit place, if I interchange them, which means I'm going to have 2000. Now 6 will come here at hundreds place, 654, because 4 is now going to go to units place. This is an even number. Yes, because even number ends with 0 comma 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. So this is an even number. Yes, this satisfies the condition. Let us still look at the other options. So if I interchange 8 and 0 over here, I will get 2028, which is still an even number. So yes, this is also an even number. And if I interchange over here, I get 7258. This is also an even number, and hence answer to this question should be all of these, because all of these numbers are still even number if even after I do the interchange of the number positions between 100 and units place. All right. So let's move to the next question, which is question number 16. Select the correct option. Place value of 3 in this particular number 6593 is 30. No, the place value of 3 is 3, because this is at units place. Place value of 7 in 9768 is 700. Indeed, this is correct, because 7 is at hundreds place. So this should be answer to this question. However, we should still check C and D to confirm. Place value of 5 in this particular number is 5000. No. In 3895, place value of 5 is going to be 5, because 5 is at units place. Option D, place value of 1 is 100. No, it is going to be 1000, because it is at thousands place, and hence B is the answer to this question. Please take it. Let us move to the next question. Question number 17. Which of the following abacuses show the number 4321? So let us write this number 4321. This is thousands place, hundred, tens, and ones. So you have to solve all these abacus to see whether you get 4321 anywhere in these options. Alright. So I have changed all the abacus numbers into numerals, and as you can see, option B is the answer to this question which matches with the given number name 4321. Please tick it. Let us look at the next question, question number 18. Study the numbers carefully. So you have been given a set of numbers over here. Dash is the greatest number and dash is the smallest number respectively. So what is expected when you get these kind of questions is please arrange them in either ascending or descending order for the ease of getting these answers. Otherwise you will end up making mistakes. So this is a good practice to arrange these numbers into some or the other order either ascending or descending. Okay, so I have converted all these numbers in ascending order. So when putting them in an ascending order, it is very easy for me to give the answers. So dash is the greatest number. So I have this 9248 as the greatest number and dash is the smallest number which is 2145. So my answer is going to be 9248 comma 2145, which is option A. Please tick it. Let us look at the next question, which is question number 19. Who holds the least number? So, what do you mean by least? Least is also called as smallest number. So, out of all these options, which number is the smallest? So, as you can see, the number which is smallest is 2314, which is hold by which is held by Nikita. So please tick it and transfer this to OMR sheet. Let us move to the next question, question number 20. Which symbol should be written in the box to make the given number sentence true? So you have 1456 and you have 1546. So out of all these options, what should be fit in into this? So what is the condition? So condition over here, the condition which you should be using is less than, because 1456 is definitely less than 1546. So less than sign is nothing but option B. Please tick it and transfer this to OMR sheet. With this, we completed the first section, mathematical reasoning. Now we can move on to the next section, which is everyday mathematics of chapter number 1. So let's start with question number 21. Madhu wrote a number on the blackboard as shown. So you can see 6 is there at the hundreds place. So I will put H here. At tens place, you don't know what is there, and on ones place, you have 9. If it is formed from 3 different digits, okay, so all the digits are going to be different. All right, then which of the following digits could be placed in the gap to make the greatest number out of the given options? So you have to actually put the greatest number at the tens place to make this as greatest. So amongst all the options, you should first choose the greatest. So the greatest among all options is nothing but 9. However, they are saying that we have to use different digits, right? So we can't be using 9 because 9 is already at ones place. So which is the next greatest number out of all these options, which is option D, which is 8. So hence this particular one to become the greatest number is this particular option, and hence we have to put 8 in the tens place to make this as the greatest number. Okay, so please tick option D. Let us look at the next question, question number 22. Sohan has 2 baskets full of some number tokens. Okay, so there are number tokens in 2 baskets which Soham has. He likes the number that are in red basket. So he likes them most which are there in red basket. Okay, which of the following numbers formed by using the digits given in basket will he like the most? So, which means there are four numbers which are formed, four options which are given. We have to find out which he will like the most. Now, what does that mean? Which means he likes 9, 6, 5, and 2 tokens more than these ones, right?
Okay.
So which means if you have, if he is making, forming numbers using tokens, combination of tokens, either from this basket or that this basket, which is red or blue, he will like the most where the tokens from red basket are used. Okay, so let us look at the options and see how many tokens are used from red and how many tokens are used from blue. Wherever you have more tokens used from red, he will like that combination the most. And that should be the answer to this question. Okay, so let us get started then with the options. So I can see 8763. So let us see what all tokens are getting used from red basket because he loves the red basket most. So I can see 6 is from red basket. The rest are not from red basket, right? Okay, so there's only one. So I'll put one over here that only one token from red basket is used. Let us look at the next combination. 6529. 6529. So all four of them are used from the red basket. I am sure there should be answer to this question. However, let us still look at the next option. 7563. As you can see, only one token from red basket is used, right? Let us look at the next one, which is option D. 6958. 695. So there are three tokens used from this, but he will love the most option B because all four tokens are used from red basket. So that should be answer to this question. All right. Okay, let's look at the next question. Sonia is playing with some number cards. All right. She made a deck of these cards and pulled the cards as shown below. So she has card number 5, 6, 8, and 2. Her mother asked which is the largest possible four-digit number that can be formed by using all the cards. Help her to find the answer. So when you see the largest possible four-digit number, okay, so there are two ways you can find form the largest possible four-digit number. Let us look at the first way. First is, arrange all these cards in the descending order. So you'll have 8, 6, 5, and 2. So this should be the largest possible four-digit number which can be formed from this card. But if you notice, it doesn't have any information which says that there should be repetition of card or no repetition of card. Okay, so one combination which can be formed over here, because there is um no rule given on repetition. One combination can be 8652. The other combination can be 8888 if the repetition is allowed, right? However, let us look at the options which I have 8652 itself in the answer, and hence it should be the answer to this question. The repetition is possibly not allowed, and that's why you don't see this as the answer. But if the repetition is allowed and the largest number is asked, then you can actually start repeating the largest number, those number of times, whichever is the number of digits asked. Okay, so I've given you both the kind of questions or both the ways in which this particular question can be answered. However, most of the questions which is asked in IMO, it says the repetition is not allowed. All right, so if that is the case, then 8652 should be answer to this question. Please tick it. And if you look at the next options, 8562 cannot be answered to this question because this is the largest possible combination and this cannot be. And these both two are starting with 9, wherever however 9 is not even the card which Sonia is playing with. All right, so C and D cannot be answer, B cannot be answer, and hence A is the answer to this question. Please tick it. Moving on to the next one, Mrs. Sharma wrote a 4-digit number on the blackboard. Three students, Anshu, Vishal, and Badal, said the following statements about that number. Alright, so we don't have the 4-digit number given. We have some statements around this. So we will see what all kids are saying. But before that, what you should do is you should start putting the places for them. So this is thousands place, this is hundred place, this is tens place, and this is ones place. So basis what all information kids are giving, we can start putting the numbers over there. It is a 4-digit number but not the least. Okay, so it's a 4-digit number but not the least, but it's not the smallest. All right, Vishal says it is less than largest 4-digit number but greater than 9997, which means what is the largest 4-digit number? The largest 4-digit number is 9999, and but then it is saying that it is less than 9999 but greater than 9997, which means the number is going to be between this number and this number. And which number comes between these two? Right, so these two, it comes as 9998. Okay, but let us still see what Badal says. Its 100 place is 9. Yes, its 100 place is 9. So what should be the answer to this question? It should be option B. Please tick it. Let us move and check the next question, which is question number 25. Four boys are playing a number game. Okay. Each of them are writing their favorite number. Alright. So all of them have written their favorite number. Now what we have to do is we have to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending order is the smallest to the largest. So let's start putting these numbers in ascending order. So putting these numbers in ascending order, what do I get? I get Raj as 1252. Starting from there, I get Ravi's favorite number as the last. So my order becomes Raj, comma Tarun, comma Rahul, comma Ravi. So let us look at the options we have. Which option has Raj, comma Tarun, comma Rahul, comma Ravi? Which is option D. So please take it and transfer all these answers to the OMR sheet. Let us look at the last section of this chapter, known as Achievers section or HOTS. Question number 26. The given table shows the number of eggs produced on a farm in the first 5 months of the year. Okay, so you have in the first column month, January, February, March, April, May, and number of eggs produced for them as the second column, 5961, etc., etc., till 5164. So each row is for every month what is the number of eggs which are produced. All right, so now let us look at the question which is asked in here. Which of the following statements is correct? All right, so we have to look at the correct statement. The number of eggs produced in April were less than in February. So number of eggs which are produced in April, 4907, is less than February, which is 4228. Is 4907 less than this 4228? No, right? That is not correct. So let's look at the next option B. The number of eggs produced in May were less than in March. So number of eggs which were produced in May is 5164, and is it less than March? 5879? Yes, it is. Should be answer to my question. However, let us still look at option C and D. The number of eggs produced in January were less than in March. January in March, no, it's the other way around. The number of eggs produced in May were less than in February, May, and February, no. Again, it's other way around. So hence option B is the answer to this question. Question number 27. State true for T for true and F for false. 3900 is same as 3900. Yes, this is true. So let's put a T over here. 8,000s, 40 tens, and 10 ones. Alright, so let's start putting this 8,000s, which is right 8 thousands followed by 3 zeros, plus 40 tens, right 40 as is, and since it is tens followed by 1 zero, then 10 ones, which is 10 as is, and followed by nothing, it becomes 8410, and which is indeed it is correct. So I can put a T over here, right? So first statement and second statement are true. What could be my answer? It can be option B, isn't it? But let us look whether R is also last statement is also true or not. 9000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 6. This is expanded form of this, isn't it? So hence this is also true. All true. B is the answer to this question. Please tick it. Now let us look at the next question. Match the following column A to column B. Okay, so 400 plus 60 plus 8. This is expanded form of 468, which is 3. So P goes to 3. P goes to 3. P goes to 3. Which can be answer? It can be C or D, right? So we have to forget A and B. That's not going to be the answer. Let us look between C and D. Alright, so Q. 4000 plus 600 plus 80. This becomes 4680, which is 1. So Q goes to 1 in both of them it is there. Okay. R. 400 plus 6. It becomes 406, which is 4. R goes to 4. It is now C. C should be answer to this question. However, let us still look at S, whether S goes to 2, and it does. Right? Because 4000 plus 60 plus 8 is 4068. Okay? So please tick option C as the answer in your question paper and transfer to OMR sheet. Question number 29. Identify the number using the given clues. I am an odd number. My tens digit number is greatest one digit number. My hundreds digit number is an even number. My thousand digit number is the least odd number. Okay, so let's start putting whatever information we have. So this is a four digit number because all options are four digit numbers. So let us put thousand, hundred, tens, and ones. I'm an odd number. Okay, so my ones place will be 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9. So out of all these options, I see odd number as A, B, and D. So C cannot be answer. Okay, right away this is gone. Fine. Now next is my tens digit is greatest one digit number. Greatest one digit number is 9. So my tens place is going to have 9. Which of them have 9 at tens place? This has, and this one does not. So C anyways we have already ruled out because they are looking for odd number. This is even, so this is not there. And D is again not there now because tens place has 8. not 9. So either A or B will be the answer. Let's look at the next hint. My hundreds digit is an even number. Hundreds digit is an even number. 100 is 4. Here is 4. Both are satisfying. So still A or B. Now let's look at the last one, which should give you the answer. My thousands digit is a least odd number. Which is least odd number? Which number is least odd number? It is 1. So 1 should be there in my thousands digit. So hence this becomes answer to this question, which is 1495. Please tick it. Okay, so let's look at the last question of this section and also the last question of chapter 1, which is question number 30. Sonali spilled ink drops on her homework sheet as shown below. So the red dots which you can see over here are nothing but the ink dots, which are ink drops which are spilled by Sonali. So which digit must be written to make the above sentences correct? So what those sentences are? P says that 432 is greater than something. 4, a dot and 6. So what should be value of P? Alright. So if we look at the options which are given over here for P, which is 2, 6, 3, 4. If this has to be greater, which means if you look at tens place, you should have something over here in dot which should satisfy this condition. So it should be lesser than 3, because the in tens place you have 32 and you can't have 36 or 46 or anything over here, right? So this has to be less than 3. It can be 1 or 2. So out of these options, I see P as 2 as given option. So if I put 2 over here, this becomes 432 greater than 426. So just this satisfies. So my P should be 2. Let us see if Q is going to be 8 and R is going to be 7 or not, which satisfies these all sentences. So what is Q sentence? Q says 843 is less than 840 something. So can I put 8 over here? 848. Yes, this is going to be a correct statement if I put 8 over here from this option. And if I put 7 over here from this option, 792 is equal to, this also has to be 7 for it to equal. So hence this particular option satisfy all above statements, and hence A should be answer to the question. All right. So with this we complete our chapter 1. All right, so let us go to table of content and put a tick mark on chapter 1 and say yes, we have completed the first chapter for class 3 IMO. Thank you so much for watching the video till this point in time. Please show your love and support with your subscription to my channel Loft Academia. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye bye.